Hello everyone, so take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits on it. Now on the down side, roll the hairs like this and pull out the hairs from the sides one by one. Follow the same step till the end like this for all the hairs and then decorate it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix the hairs in the between. Now join the hairs and make the plaits like this on both the sides. We will fix the hairs together by joining them and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a high ponytail, tie the upper layers of the hairs like this and make the plaits on it till the end. Now tie rest of the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs like this and make a bow on the top. Divide the hairs and make the plaits, fold it and it's ready. Next, we have to tie the hairs from the sides on the back and then repeat the process. Now take small section from it and then make the plaits on it on both the sides like this after dividing the hairs. Now we will fix it on the top by making a heart-like shape. Now make the plaits on the sides of the hairs and then join them and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it from the half style. Now make the plaits by joining the hairs from it like this and from the sides. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs and then we will join the hairs together and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and keep it aside. Now make a ponytail on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs like this from the sides and then join them by making the plaits on the back. Now after that, we will fix the hairs by folding it like this after making the plaits and then your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the upper layer of the hairs in the small section and make the plaits on it like this. So make few hairs and then take it out from the between of the plaited hairs like this. Now in the between, we will roll it like this and join them and make the plaits out of it. Fix the hairs carefully till the end and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs and then rotate the upper layer of the hairs by dividing them into two parts. Fix them into each other and make a bow on the top. Now rotate small section of the hairs, make the plaits over it like this. Now fix the hairs till the end and shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs like this on the sides, roll it one by one and fix them together like this. So watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing the hairs. Now join the hairs on the down side like this by making the plaits. Make small section of the plaits on both the sides and join them and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs from the between, fold it upward and make a bun. Fold the hairs from the sides and roll it like this. Now after rolling it, fix it by folding it again on the top and tie it to make a bun from the between and it's ready. Next, take a comb and then roll the hairs like this using it and fix the small section from the between and then roll it again. So watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing the hairs and tie it in the same manner till the end. Fix all the hairs and take them one by one like this. Now at the end, fix it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts, tie the upper part and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix the hairs into each other and then make a bow on the top. Now make the plaits on the upper section of the hairs like this. Now after that, rotate it and then your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side and then rotate it. Follow the same step for the other side and join the hairs on the back. After joining the hairs, divide the hairs into two parts and then divide it and rotate it like this and fix the hairs together and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.